So today is Pi Day. So basically we're in the McLeod Center. We have 3 different stations going on and we're doing different activities to find what measurements is equal to pi. First station, we have different circular objects and we try to find the circumference and the diameter of each circle object, and then we divide the circumference and the diameter to find if it equal to pi. And then the second station, we have little toothpicks. We drop them on some chart, and basically we find how many toothpicks it's either intersected the lines or it doesn't intersect the line. Then we divide them to see if it also equals to pi as well. This fun activity helps people learn why pi is so important in math.
Pi Day was a great opportunity for us to really collaborate with the innovation team and the math department to create a set of activities that were really enjoyed by our students. The space and the resources that are provided here gave the kids a chance to really get hands-on with understanding the concept of pi, its applications, as well as being creative and having a lot of fun while they did it. This gives our students a chance to experience their knowledge of pi, mathematical concepts, and tying them in together with hands-on learning. And so it's a great way for our students to really expand their learning and understanding while they collaborate with each other.